Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to clear the browsing data in Microsoft Edge browser. Open a Microsoft Edge browser from taskbar and click on Settings and More option. And here we can see History option here, and also you can use a shortcut Ctrl H to open a history in Microsoft Edge browser. Click on History. Here we can see all details, whatever the URL we have used or opened in Microsoft Edge browser, and also we can see recently closed option also. Click on all and click on here More Options button. Here we can see Clear Browsing Data option. Click on this. It is showing option. We can select the last to 1 hour or 24 hours and 7 days and 4 weeks and all time. So I will select as of now as the last 1 hour option, and I am going to clear the browsing data, that browsing history, downloaded history, and cookies and other site data and temporary files as cached images and files. I am going to clear these details as of now. Click on Clear Now option. And now after click the option Clear Now, okay, it has got deleted the last 1 hour browsing history details. To confirm that, click on this Settings and More option, go to History, and again click on Clear Browsing Data. Previously, the browsing history, it has some 30 items. Now we can see there was no details as, and it was there as only none. And also download history as none. Previously also same. And the cookies and other site data, it has some 24 sites. Now it has there only 3 sites. And the cached images and files, it has some 238 MB. Now it has there only 150 MB. Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos, and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.